Somewhere in the northeast of England is a man with an obsession for US Pro Tools. It's me. Right, how are you doing? I better quickly turn this off because I do not have copyright for this music. So if you bear with us, quickly turn that off. How are you doing, YouTube? One or two things have changed in the garage. I haven't made a video for a while. It's Sunday afternoon. The weather outside is absolutely lousy. It's pissing down. I've been bored all day, so I thought I would do another video. What's changed in the garage? Well, look. 10 foot of toolbox. Yep. That's two US Pro 42s with the two side lockers. Why? Basically, I'd bought that much stuff. I needed it. And before anybody sort of asks, have you filled it? Yeah, I need another one. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a quick look, see what you think, and then we'll spend 10 minutes. Something else has changed as well. I bought the tool card. Now, when I bought the tool card, I've added to it. Now, what I'll do is I'll go through this one first, and then if we've got time, I'll show the tool card. So as I've said, US Pro, two 42-inch boxes with side lockers. In the first side locker, there's not really a great deal in there, to be honest with you. Lockout kit, overalls, blow-off guns. There's turbos there for the car. There's oil catch cans. Really, this one is just, it's where I sort of keep spare parts. Top of my toolbox. It's never really changed. It's just got obviously all me bars, extensions, stuff like that. Top drawer, still a junk drawer. Files, scrapers, drill bits, air hose connectors, just bits and pieces. Avdel gun, pot rivet gun, wrenches. Over to this drawer, still the same. It's, Allen keys, Torx, filter wrenches. I've only really sort of put them in there at the minute. I'm probably going to end up moving them because it's a big drawer and they're just taking up space. Next drawer, Tridents, US Pro, small swing bars. Next drawer down, tin snips, fuel pump pliers, welding pliers, oil pump pliers, just really bits of all sorts. Next drawer down, pliers drawer again. Next drawer down, all my sockets. Everything that you sort of see is metric. I don't really do sort of anything imperial. Never really use it. I've got one or two bits in my other box. All just Allen keys, splines, stud removers, just bits and pieces. As I say, it's just really, it's my box at home. But we'll just keep going. We'll keep going. Never really changed. Screwdrivers. These ones here are new. Again, US Pro. The difference with these ones is they're for Japanese. I bought them when I bought them. They're for Japanese cars. Now apparently they've got a finer tip on them. I'm not sure, but we'll try them. If you're wondering why the camera works so dodgy, it's because obviously I've got the camera facing me. I can't really see what's going on. So, next drawer. Still got the pick set. Next drawer, it's still all service tools. Bottom drawer, still all service tools. Come back across. Torque screwdrivers. Still nuts and bolts. Batteries. Why have I got a drawer full of batteries? I've got a 2-year-old grandson. Everything he's got takes batteries. So that's why there's a drawer full of batteries. Every time he comes, Grandad batteries. So never have too many batteries. But bottom drawer, still the same. Just blister packs, bits and pieces. So then, over to the new one. On the top, as you can see, spanners. All top's just all full of spanners. First drawer, there's not really much in there. Couple of CDs, DVDs, Pretzers, I think it was MG, not a Land Rover P38. Like I say, just bits of all sorts. Next drawer down, T-handles. Bought them, don't even think I've ever used them yet, but they look nice. Next drawer down, chisels and punches, impact screwdriver, files, large and small. Next drawer down, plastic fixings, so that's in there. Over to this drawer, spanners, go from 32 down to 6mm. Box spanners, they go from 19 down to 6mm. Trident, long reach, and long reach flexi C spanners. They're just all the leads for the snap-on diagnostics. Drawer that's all just full of bulbs. Electrical drawer, wires, connectors, heat shrink, testers, just bits and pieces. Down to the next big drawer. 3/4 drive socket set, 3/4 drive sockets, nut drivers, ladies heels, pry bars, US Pro locking wheel nut removers. Next drawer down, there again, electrical, 2 different scan tools, OBD, laser thermometer, relay tester, small jump start pack, alternator tester, air tools. Don't really use much air tools there now with us having everything on the Milwaukee side, but they still come in handy. Not really much in there. Scissors, hacksaws, blades for the recips. Three-legged pullers, brake caliper splitters, just there's all sorts in there, absolutely all sorts. Valve tools, bottom drawer, it's all just electrical, drills, angle grinders, soldering iron. Back over to this one. First aid kit. Not really much in it. Need to get a bigger one. So what's in here? Parts for brake pipes, small nuts and bolts, washers, wheel bolts, bits of all sorts really. Next one, blister packs. Next one, pop rivets. Next one, cable ties. Next locker, that's never changed. It's still all the same. I've never really changed anything in there. So, but yeah, so that's the new toolbox. Am I going to make any more changes? Am I going to do anything else? Yes. What I really want is I want a 42-inch bottom with a hutch. Now, I've been in touch with US Pro, but apparently they don't do them. They do them in different colours, but they don't do them in blue. So what I still might end up doing is buying another bottom, putting another bottom in between the two boxes so it opens it up, and then just putting a workbench top in. But that's probably going to be either later on in the year or maybe it's next Christmas, or after Christmas, sorry, next Christmas. Right, so that's really it on the toolboxes. Like I said, you'll have to forgive us for the dodgy videoing. Usually my wife gives us a hand. She's busy watching telly. I'm just in the garage. Like I say, I've just nothing to do. But like I say, the tool cart, as I said, as I did the videos on them, the tool cart has changed. So if you take a look at the tool cart now, that's the tool cart with one of their boxes on the bottom. It was, I got the toolbox, and when I got the toolbox, I was sort of looking about thinking, what can I do with it? As you can see, that the garage is sort of ram-packed. So with a little bit of measurements and a little bit of cutting, it went under there absolutely perfect. But I'll do another video on that one and see what you think. Like I say, there's not really much changed. New telly. Got now sitting with a bigger telly in the garage. Got a 50-inch TV in the garage with soundbar and everything, which is ideal. It's like I say, when the wife's watching something, it means I can come in here and just watch whatever I want, just while I tinker about. So that's it for the latest video. Keep watching. I'm going to do some more. Like I said, I am going to have to invest in a GoPro or something, so, or some sort of video camera and some editing, because they're not the best, but I don't claim to be the best. This cabinet, I have got another one. It's down under there, just behind the back of me Rossi. There you go. So there's another one to go up, but the problem that I've got is I'm running out of wall space. I need to move things around in the garage to make everything fit. If I buy another 42-inch bottom, then the toolbox has got to go from this wall to this wall, and then everything on this wall obviously has got to be transferred over to this wall and vice versa. Can I be bothered? Probably. Right, take a look at the videos, see what you think. Thumbs up, thumbs down, drop us a message, and I'll speak to you soon. Cheers, bye now.